Testing. Okay, we're good. We're good. Welcome, my people. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. Can you hear me now? I'm guessing you should be able to hear me now. Yeah. It was still the mic was disconnected. But yeah, as y'all know, we got core CPI coming in the next 15 minutes. In the next 15 minutes, we got some heavy. Tyrone, what's up, man? How are you, man? How are you, James? How are you? Glad to have you back on the stream. Carnage is coming. Carnage. So expect carnage. It's about to get nasty. Bless up. It's about to cut a 7R just then on EU. Oh, nice. You bought EU. You're on a buy on EU. If you're saying you caught 7, I'm guessing you took a buy. So that's great. Looking at, remember I had a trade. I think I'm gonna close this because I don't want to be trading the news. I had a buy. My takeout is up there. My takeout is all the way up there. So before the news, still got 15 minutes to actually decide whether I close it or not. I mean, well, just still have 15 minutes to decide to close it, because I am gonna close it before the news kick in. Still at a buy from here in the morning, and then yeah, it's currently just still playing, man. I bought around there. We did go up, but now we're back at entry, so I'm definitely gonna cut this last trade. Definitely, with loss or profits, doesn't matter. I'm definitely gonna cut it before the news. Entry at, let's see, long. Entry at 83 or 82.27. TP at 83.45. And then SL at 81.82. I'm guessing this was your, there's no way that was your SL. Damn. Yeah, 1 to 7, I can see that. Almost. That is crazy. That is a crazy entry. If that's what you bought, that is way too clean. Dope entry, man. Hey bro, it's good to see you again. Yeah, man. I guess it's great to have you here again. It's great to have you guys back. This was a clutch entry. Almost no drawdown whatsoever. Clutch entry. And then this played out. Oof. The way that we took out those highs and went up there, I haven't taken out buy side yet, which I have a feeling this news is gonna push us all the way up there. But yeah, this was a nasty trade too. It was a nasty trade, but we'll see. Yes, very great. Yeah, dope stuff. And then with this, I'm definitely gonna cut it right before news. I'm definitely going to cut this trade. And then what am I expecting on the DXY? Like I said, guys, I'm expecting more lower prices. I'm expecting this sell side to be taken out. Like, I don't expect price to just spike up. Like, it'll be weird if, maybe it might be the case where we literally just spike up, take out everybody who has been selling, who has been bearish on the dollar, and then only for us to actually give us lower prices. That might be the case, right? The news might actually do that. It might actually spike up, and then will retrace back fully and then to take out the 20 days low. That might be the case. That's actually what I'm expecting from the dollar. I'm still expecting more lower prices. Expecting more lower prices. And then with gold, I still expect that buy side to be taken out. Honestly, I expect that buy side to be taken out. There's a whole lot of buy side liquidity that needs to be taken out there. But if price decides to actually go down, take out everybody who has been buying, then we'll continue buying. That might be the case. That might be the case. It might be the case where we're looking for liquidity for people who've been buying all the way here to take them out before we take out old highs, take out all these old highs. That might be the case. That might be the case, but I'm actually expecting. Is this trading view you're using? Yes. This is trading view. This is trading view. It is trading view. So yeah, even here I'm still expecting more higher prices, but we're just gonna see. I hope you guys are not trading news. Also, we're currently in a H1 BC. We're currently in this H1 BC. And then prices might reject off of this BC as the news comes, and then pow, give us higher prices. But if you're in a trade, I'd suggest people close your trades. Close your trades. I would suggest you close your trades, as this won't be good. This is back at entry. This is back at entry. We'll see how this actually plays out, but I'm definitely gonna close my positions. I don't want to play with fire. I don't want to play with fire. I don't want no smoke. Even though price might actually push us up. Price might actually push us up, right? Price might just spike up, but that's a risk I don't want to take. It might spike up, it might spike down, and then if it does spike down, it might be bad. It might be bad. Even if you hit SL, it's fine. Even if you hit SL before the news come, it's fine. It's fine. That is cool. But we're just gonna see the DXY. Where's the gold? Yeah. What are you guys expecting? What are you guys expecting? If you haven't liked, I see some people haven't liked. Even hit that like button, please. If you haven't liked, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I go online, whenever I go live, whenever I go live. So yeah. We're going for that London low. We're going for that London low. On this NAS. What time is it? 8 minutes left, 7 minutes left. I'm definitely gonna break even. Definitely gonna break even. Definitely gonna break even. What are you guys expecting? What are you expecting on the DXY? Bullish? Bearish? What are you guys expecting here? What are you guys expecting? Bullish, bearish? Prices to buy, prices to sell? What's y'all's expectations? I think I'm gonna close here at break even, right? I think I might as well just close now while I'm still at break even, right? Yeah, I think I'll just do that. I think I'll just do that while I'm still at break even. I'll just close that. I'll just close that.
Order filled.
I'll just close that and then wait for market to make its decisions. Just gonna chill and wait for the market to make its decisions. Then DXY will be bullish. ICT trader says DXY will be bullish. Okay. We got 5 minutes left, right? Let me do a poll. Let me do another poll. I think gold will pump bullish. DXY. Let me do a poll, right? On gold. Let's look at gold, right? What are you guys expecting on gold? What are you guys expecting on gold? Bullish or bearish? What you expecting on gold? Bullish or bearish? Just wanna see. What are you guys expecting on gold? Bullish or bearish? DXY is gonna be bearish. Let's have these two charts. Let's have duplicate. Let's have gold and DXY on the side. I'm just gonna, yeah. Some said bullish, some said bearish. Only 2 voted bullish. Okay. We'll see what we're expecting. We'll see what we're having. We'll see what we're having. It's only 2 votes. Come on, guys. Two people said they haven't hit the like button. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, probably already have hit that. Yeah, DXY and gold. I think GU will pump. It'll go up or it'll dump. Oh, sorry. It'll dump. So I'm guessing you're expecting the dollar index to be bearish. If you're expecting, wait, you're expecting the dollar index to go up. If you're expecting the GU to actually go lower, you're expecting higher prices on the DXY. Is that James? Am I right? Am I right? But to hit how many minutes? About 1 minute left. All of this, as you can see, 1 minute 30 seconds left. 1 minute 30 seconds left. What's the forecast? That previous. Interesting. We'll see. We will see. look at how gold is tipping down right before the news. Why does gold look like it's preparing to do something it doesn't want to do? Gold looks like it's preparing to do something else. And then on the other screen, I'm actually looking at NAS, and it's acting up right now. So glad I'm out of it. It's just pumping up and down. Pumping up and down right before the news. It's very active. Four votes. Only 4 of you guys voted. Come on. How many of you guys watching now? How many people watching? Oh my god. Gold, NAS just took off. Dollar index fell. Gold gave us higher prices. Exactly as I expected on the gold and exactly as I expected on the DXY. Sell side has been taken out. Sell side has been taken out. That is exactly what I expected. Sell side on DXY was taken out. Gold finally took out buy side liquidity. NAS just took off. NAS just took off. It literally just took off. But I don't want to mix. I don't want to get in the mix. I don't want to get in the mix. If this went the opposite way, yeah, we'll be talking different stories now. Or probably have just ended the stream. But yeah. Did you guys take any trades? Did you guys take any trades? I hope you didn't take any trades, guys. I hope you didn't take any trades. Because I know if somebody took a trade, they will be spamming that in the chat. But I hope nobody took a trade. Hell no, thank God. Well, it's just one of you. I hope nobody took trades. I hope nobody took a trade. NAS finally took out some buy side. So now I'm gonna switch to one chart. Gold was a nice buy. I still want some thin sweep, even though it did take out buy side liquidity, but I want thinner sweep. It must do something here, then maybe for the rest of the session, right? For the rest of the session, that's what I'm looking for. And then as for NAS, I'm waiting for equity open. I'm waiting for equity open. As you can see, target was smashed. Target was smashed quick in a hurry. And this is what I needed. This is what I really actually needed to get funded with 100K on Top Step. That was what I needed. But we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna trade. We're gonna trade news. We're not gonna do that. We already learned the hard way. We're not gonna do it. But yeah, on NAS, still waiting for. I'm still gonna try to trade this, but waiting for equity open. Or maybe a microstructure shift, because you're already taking out buy side liquidity, right? We're already taking out some sort of I'm going a daily. We'll take out all this buy side liquidity. We might be aiming for that buy side liquidity, right? Prices might be going for that all-time high. This is the all-time high, innit? Is this the all-time high? This is the all-time high. So prices might be going for that all-time high. Because you already swept enough liquidity. And then probably just retrace a little right after that. But you're already taken out all this liquidity here. Already taken out all that buy side liquidity there. Only that one that's left, but already taken out this. I wonder what the mother chart, what the futures chart is saying. Because they're a little bit different. I realized that the mother chart and the CFDs are a little bit different. Yeah, they're a little bit different. If you can actually look at this. On the left, we got the mother chart, the future chart, the futures chart, and then here we got the CFDs, right? So here we got that buy side liquidity there. On right, we got that buy side liquidity there, and then here we just swept. As you can see, NAS on the CFDs this side, it already swept most of these highs. It's only that one that's left, and remember, this is all our daily charts. While the mother chart hasn't really swept all of these highs. All of these highs. All of this has not been swept. So this is the right one. This is the original. All of these brokers are actually imitating what this one is doing. All of this, whatever you get on TradingView or CFD chart, they're imitating what this one is doing, right? So yeah, just gonna see how that actually plays out. Just gonna see what we get. Maybe equity open might give us something different. Equity open might actually give us something different. And gold, Bitcoin rejecting gold right after taking buy side liquidity. Seems like it's rejecting. Gold might reject the whole movement. It might actually starts preparing, since we took out that buy side, might prepare to actually take out London low and then keep dropping. And then keep dropping for the rest of the session. I have a feeling that's what we might get on the gold. And then currently on NAS we have a market structure shift. We actually have a market structure shift on NAS. We actually have a market structure shift on NAS, which is not yet confirmed, of course. We got that. But the question is, how much of this movement are we gonna retrace? Well, it's not yet confirmed. CB is not yet confirmed. It has to hold like that. Let me delete that. If price doesn't close this gap, now we confirmed this CB. If price can actually go and retest, look at how it's just rejecting off of that. How we are just rejecting off of this. How we're just rejecting off of that. But if price can go back, retrace back into that, then yeah, I'll be happy to sell. That's where I'll be looking for a sell into that. As soon as we tap in, stop loss can put it above the high, and then yeah, maybe at least 50%. I feel like you should be aiming for at least 50% of that swing high, swing low. So as soon as price come here, make sure you take your partials if you want to take into this trade. Take your partials and then maybe wait for that OTE price to tap in, right? Only if you're selling up there. If you're selling here, your SL might be very, very wide. So as for me, I'm waiting for price to actually tap into that. I'm waiting for price to tap into that market structure shift. And then if you don't get that, it is what it is. If you don't get that, it is what it is. It is what it is. What pairs do you guys like trading for? What pairs do you like trading for? What pairs do you like trading for news? Or let's just say maybe your NFP or your core CPI, FOMC. What mostly do you like looking at? Or do you like trading on those news, red folder, news day? Do you trade gold, EURUSD, gbpjpy? I mean USD/JPY. What do you trade? What do you guys trade? What do you guys trade? Swiss JPY. That is a weird pair to trade during New York session. That is a weird pair to be trading during. Let's look at it now. JPY, the Swiss. It's a weird pair to be trading during the news. Look at how it didn't really give us much, but yeah, it did spike too. Anything that make money for you, that's crazy. Anything that makes money. I guess I said EU. Yeah. Yeah. I'm like, it's the, it's the major pairs to trade during those times. Look at how we just took out Asia, London high, and then we just dropped. Nasty stuff. let me put a, just in case, so we don't miss this. The broker just canceled the order that was already active and I was on a sell. Damn. Were you on a sell during the news? Tyrone, I see you wanna learn the hard way. Sell, meaning before the news. They cancel your orders before the news. Some brokers do that, which is they shouldn't be, but it depends. If the broker have those terms and conditions says there shouldn't be any trades running during high-impact news, they will close them for you. Yeah, they have the rights to do that, but they shouldn't be doing that. What broker is that? And did they cancel it before the news or now after? Did they cancel it before the news or now after? Tyrone. Before the news, Pepperstone broker. Yeah, I told you to close your trades before the news. Are you sure they didn't hit SL? Are you sure they were not liquidated? Are you sure you didn't get slippage and then funds are gone? But yeah, because some of them say very like if you take, you shouldn't take, they don't allow you to take a trade 5 minutes before the news and 5 minutes after the news. Right, some brokers do that, but I feel like, yeah, some brokers do that. You can take a trade 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. You have to wait long. If you want to take a trade for the news, you have to take it at least 10 minutes before, and then, but just there's that 5 minute window that you can trade. So yeah, the capital was safe. Hey man, as long as your capital is safe. I told you not to take any trades during news. I told you guys not to take trades during news, or else you'll cry. It might go well today, and the crazy thing about that is it might go well today. That will just kind of feed your that dopamine. You want that excitement. It's quick money. Boom. Yeah, I passed the challenge now. You want to do the same thing on the next news. You would want to do the same thing. You're gonna put all your life savings on one trade. And then what does that do? Might leave you in tears. It might actually leave you in tears. So try as much not to trade the news. Try, especially on a prop firm, even worse, try as much to stay away, or else your funds will be liquidated. They'll be gone within seconds, just like that. You won't do that again, don't do it again. That's my advice for you. But unless you want to tell your own stories, unless you want to make your own mistakes, you're more than welcome. If you want to do that, you're actually more than welcome. If you want to tell your own stories, trust me, do that. Take trades during high impact news. But if you want my advice, don't do it. NFP, don't trade it. Trade post, trade it 5 minutes after. Here's a rule. If you want to be involved in the news, right, trade 5 minutes after the news. Yeah, try waiting for 5 minutes, then look for a setup. Don't just go in, but look for a setup 5 minutes after the news. You're fine. Just like what I did now. I let it play out and then waiting for the setup to play out, to form. That's the best way to trade news. That's the best way. But if you want to go before the spikes, I don't know. I honestly don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. And I'm already seeing microstructure shape. Here's a microstructure shape. So I hope that don't listen. Okay, I was filled. And then yeah, just like that. Shouldn't try to take any trade. So yeah, I'm actually in the trade. SL is just above the high. I'm not targeting anything. I'm not risking anything more than that. That risk is fine for me, actually. Anything more than that, I am not willing to be a part of. Not willing to be a part of that. Yeah, if we hit SL, I'm done for the day. It has been a hectic. Already had a losing London session. Right? And then if I hit SL here, I am done. Not planning to take any more trades for the day. Not planning to take any more trades for the day. Let's delete that. Let's see how this plays out. How's gold actually? Also trying the same thing. It's weird that gold and NAS are in sync. Whenever you see gold and NAS in sync, something is wrong. If gold and NAS are in sync, something is wrong. As you can see, gold is in sync with the rest. Something is wrong with the market right now. If you see gold and NAS in sync, nah, something is up. Someone is cooking here. Someone is cooking. Someone is cooking. Do you guys trade indices? Do you guys trade indices? I have a feeling this is gonna keep going up for that buy side liquidity. Yeah, but I wanted to reject off of at least the 50% of this move that we made. At least, because that was that 50%? That wasn't 50%, almost close, but at least 50%. Close below it. But we'll see. We will see. For the same thing, it's happening on the S&P. There we get the S&P, ES30, same thing. So yeah, we're just gonna see how that is. Do you guys trade indices? Yes, no, yes. And if so, what's your favorite one to go for? Do you trade all three of them? Is the Germans included? What do you guys trade? Not really. I've been trying to do that on TradingView, but I can't find them. You can't find what the indices, the NAS. I'm like, should be easy to find them. Just type exactly what you see here, and then you'll find them. NAS 100. Some is USD 100. All you gotta do is just type like this on NAS. This is it. And just say NAS. You'll get different brokers, of course. There's it. That's all you gotta type, and then you'll get them. You will get them. Looking at the DXY as expected. The sell side swept, right? Sell side swept as expected. Expecting sell side to be swept, and we did just that. And yeah, now are we going for that 20 days low is the question. Hey D, how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Welcome back to the New York session. Did you trade? Did you take any trades during the session? Were you on trades this New York session? If yes, what did you take? Did you take any trades? Excuse me. There's 11 people watching, only 8 likes. Now it's 9. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Make sure you smash it. Don't just hit it, smash it. I was in NAS and USD too long. TP hit. That's dope. At least you're in profits. At least you're in profits. At least you are actually in profits. At least you're in profits. Yesterday, yeah, they hit long. They all flew. They all flew. They all just took off. We only just... I was in a buy initially, actually. I was still holding a buy which had closed right before the news. Because I don't want to no smoke with the news. I had a buy since morning from here. And then it played out, and then I closed somewhere here at break even. I closed that buy at break even, and then of course, as you can see, price just took off all the way to TP. My TP zone hit was also smashed, but I don't want to mix up myself with news. I don't want to mix myself with news at all. I don't want to mix myself with the news. I think just 100 short is a good trade. Yeah, I'm like, if it can play out, it'll be a good trade. But this is not a bad trade actually to be take. Buy side swept, waited for buy side swept to be swept, market structure shift. If it doesn't play out, then I just know that yeah, there's more that's actually in this trade. Then yeah, the market is just against us at this point. The news are still kicking in or whatever, but this actually seems like this is a good trade. Yeah, was in EU sells earlier, likely closed before the news to avoid slippage and lose. Yep, if you did not close your trades, that's exactly what was gonna happen. If you're still selling and this happened, yeah, Oladapo, that was literally gonna ruin your week. It was gonna ruin your week. So yeah, do you regret closing the trade sincerely? No, I don't actually. I do not regret closing the trade, because I was gonna, if I left the trade open and then it went the opposite way, I was gonna regret not closing. So what's the point? what's the point? You know, what's the point? And I told myself never to trade news. Never trade news, ever. Only trade post, right? So even if it went my way, I don't regret it. I could have made money, a lot of money. Yeah, could have hit my TP. But do I regret it? No, I don't actually. I do not regret it. I do not. Because if it went the opposite, if I was in a buy and it went the opposite, slipped my stop losses like it did for me before I've experienced this. Some of the wow. Some of the challenges that I failed is because I was trying to trade news, and then all of a sudden get slipped out, slippage, and then just like that, daily max out. So I don't regret it, man. Tyrone, I don't regret it. Do you trade funded or personal? Both, my friend Dinesh. Trade both. I trade both. I trade both, funded and personal. So yeah. Kieran, now you see me, now you don't. Hey man. Hey man. Are you trading? Are you trading this session? Are you trading this session? Are you trading this session? Let me see something real quick. Kiran, have you tried hedging? Yes, in my early days of trading. But no. No. Yes, I have, but I don't do that anymore. That's probably like in my first 2 years of trading. First year, yeah. Second year of trading, yeah, I tried. But yeah, that was a long time ago. I'm not gonna do that again. It's pointless. Why? Only bought gold and silver. Oh, nice. Done for the day and week, maybe. Gone to the sea now. Ciao. Okay, Kieran. Okay. I see you, Kieran. I see you. Dennis, join your Telegram channel. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you for that. Really appreciate it. Yeah, that gold buy, like I said before the news actually kicked in, it was actually a clean buy, honestly. We had that market structure shift, we had that BC, and then yeah, price just rejected off of that, literally just rejected off of that market structure shift and our BC, and then going for the buy side liquidity. This was a clean buy, but the only problem is that it's happening during news. If you had a suicidal, damn, I know I shouldn't be saying that word, but if you had the suicidal account, that one account that you can just risk whatever, a personal account though, or maybe just trying to pass a prop firm that's on the side, not your main one, just that one that's dying already, just buy here and then without a SL and see what will happen. maybe probably could have taken you back, you know, shit like that. But trading on your main funds, the one that you consistently want to make consistent profit, you shouldn't be playing with your funds like that, unless you want to take your 3 weeks or a month hard work, take it out in one day, lose it all in one day. Then yeah, you're definitely welcome. James, I said sometime at the probably talking about the buy on gold. What's your normal R risk and reward? 1:2, 1:3, but normally 1:2. Yeah, but it depends on the market condition, depend on what we're facing, right? If we're in the New York, if you're in the London, normally it's like 1:2, right? New York can be 1:3, depends. So 1:2, 1:3. Nasdaq about to dump in 2 minutes. Are we having other news? What's happening in 2 minutes, James? What's happening in 2 minutes? Because I know equity opens at 1:30. Equity opens at 9:30, so that's when I'll expect some crazy movement. But I'm from the okay. Let's see. Let's wait. Said 2 minutes, right? So 1 minute should be left. With 1 minute. So something should happen. If nothing happens, you're a fraud. If nothing, you're a fraud, James. If nothing happens, you're scamming us. What time is New York session? South African time. Starts from 2:30. 2:30. 2:30, that's New York session starts, and then equity open, it's 3:30. So right now we're going for equity open in the next 24 minutes. We're going for equity open. So yeah, obviously 2 more minutes. Yeah, should check something wrong with your time machine. You probably went into a different universe. My guy. Probably went into a different universe, James. But yeah, TP, my actual TP is actually here, guys. I'm not targeting. It's almost like 1:1, almost somewhere like here. This is the one that I have on. Let me just show you guys. This is actually my trade. This is my actual trade on NAS right now. If you hit TP, I'm out, and my SL is all the way up there. So this is almost 1:1 because I'm risking 1.4 for 1.8. So yeah, almost 1:1, a little bit more. But yeah, that's my risk. For this trade. Ish. Why is it moving? It's cool. It said dump. Look at it. It's going up now. Giving us wrong direction, James. Giving us wrong directions. Which one is equity session? I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with that. Which one is equity session? It's NAS. If you're trading indices, there's New York, there's Forex open, and there's equity open. Forex open is for pairs, right? It's for Euro USD, whatever pair that you're trading. Euro USD, gbpusd, it's for that. And then equity is for NAS. If you're trading NAS, if you're trading US30, if you're trading indices, that's when it opens, right? Just like during London, London opens at 8 South African time. Let's just say South African time, it's 8, right? And then at night, at 9, an hour later, that's when the equity opens. So the Forex market opens first, the equity market opens an hour later. Yeah. Okay, dump now or not? Check your time. Check your time. Check your time machine. You might be using a. You might be using a. It might be going to a different universe where everything is vice versa. You might have seen a buy that side, which should be a sell on our side. Maybe. We got that order block right there. Let's pray this holds, because it might be a case where this is a market structure shift, right? This is a market structure shift. This is actually a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift. So that might be that might be bad for us. That might not be good for us. James, yeah, you're seeing wrong directions, my friend. You're seeing wrong directions, my friend. But if we're still alive before equity open, we might be saved. It might save us, it might drop. But I have a feeling that equity open might go for buy side liquidity. That's the thing. Equity open might go for that buy side liquidity. If you're closer to it, if you're closer to that buy side liquidity there, it might go for it before it actually drops. I have a feeling that's what might happen. That's what might happen. Let's look at S&P and the rest doing the same thing. We got that other block there. Didn't really give us that market structure shift that it did on the NAS. That visible market structure shift, because it's a little bit noisy, but yeah. Let's see how price act. Are we going for SLs? Are we going for TPs? And now that we break above, this might be used as a bullish breaker block. It might be used as a bullish breaker block. Might be the case. But we're just gonna see how that plays out. How's gold playing so far? Is it falling? Is it flying? Still around the same area. Do you have any news at... Nah, that was the last of it. That was everything. What did I do? That was everything we had. So yeah. Nothing much really happening here. Nothing much really happening. Doom. Yes, yes, yes. Anybody in this trade? Anybody took a NAS? Anybody in a NAS trade right now? Besides, oh yeah, anybody in a NAS trade right now? You're short. Yes, so one small lot. Oh, nice. Nice. Only 2 people. Only 2 people took that trade. Only 2 people. 80, afternoon, man. How are you? How are you doing? What is going on? So now, no, I hate the fact, like, if we don't break below this order block, we might use it as a breaker block, and I don't like the fact that we might use that order block as a breaker block. So if this doesn't close below, we might be in shambles. We might be in troubles. We might be in troubles if we don't do that. We actually might be in trouble. Do you guys know Tanya? Do you guys know Tanya trades? Does anybody here knows? See, I don't like how this is playing out, to be honest. I don't like it. It's making me feel weird. Because this is giving me a buying signal. This is giving me a buying signal right now. Nas is giving me buying signal because I might be using this as a breaker block. I don't like that. I wanted this to break below and close below. Yeah. I wanted to close below this order block and give us more lower prices. But if we keep rejecting inside and keep closing inside, yeah, that might be bad. That might be bad. That might be bad for us. That might be bad for us. It might be bad for us. Let's go. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. It must close below. I want it to close below. If it goes back and closes inside, oh. If it goes back and closes inside, that might be some. That might be something. That might be something. Oh my god. We're doing oh my god. Literally closed right inside. We gotta be careful. If it keeps closing inside, should be careful. It can't keep closing inside the order block. It should close below. At least one candlestick should close below. Do you guys watch? Do you guys, as I was asking, do you guys know Tanya? Tanya trades. She trades ICT. She's actually a good trader. Kindly hit the like button, guys. 11 people watching, 7 likes only. Yeah, guys. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. It's actually 12 people. 13 now. That's nice. You guys don't know. You should. She actually trades ICT. She just, you know, she has some dope ass ICT concept. This girl. I like the way she trades. Even Hannah. I feel like most people know Hannah, but I can look. This girl, Tanya trades. I know my camera might be blurry. Damn it. Yeah. Tanya trades. Only knows Hannah. Yeah, she's also. Well, she doesn't live stream, and she doesn't really share. She just shares like mostly on about her journey, you know, and just analysis there. What I like about Tanya is that she shares, or she live trades too. She live trades. She does go live. She does go live, and I think I'm sure she's actually going live right now. She's actually probably looking for the New York session, the equity open. But yeah, like the fact that she also goes live, and yeah. Yeah, she's live too right now. So like a few IC traders that actually go live, that I actually like watching them. Some of them don't really go live, and then of course we got Day. I feel like he just, not like there's a lot of ICT students who have good market perspective like Day. I like Day's quarterly theory, even though I've never actually used the quarterly theory here. I've never used the quarterly theory here on the stream, but I like applying that, especially with swing trading, you know. And I do apply it then there during London, just like the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. That's you know, almost similar to that. It's almost similar, almost same thing. Even MMXM also good stuff. He has some good stuff. His perspective on ICT is actually interesting. Good afternoon, Andy, welcome back to the stream, man. How are you doing? How are you doing this afternoon? How are you doing? Perfect CPI. Yeah. Played out very well. No surprises. I like the fact that the CPI wasn't surprising. Like, we didn't get any surprising moves, you know. Everything happened the way we expected it to actually happen. Unlike other red folder news, you'll be having some things that you never thought will be happening. Like the NFP, the last NFP. Yeah, it was nasty. It was very nasty. Equity open in the next 7 minutes. So yeah, just gonna see how that plays out. I'm gonna take out sell side here, then go up, or we're gonna take out buy side, then go down. I have a feeling that we might. And I like how I hate how, look at how it's just creating all this a higher high there, a lower high, and it's creating all this lower low here, creating that higher low. Like, yeah, where is it gonna manipulate now after here? Up or down? Appreciate it if you want to give us downward movements. Give us down. Give us down. Give us down. Andy, did you take any trades during this? Damn. Did you take any trades during this CPI? Did you take any trades? Any trades that you took the CPI? And if you did, what did you take? If you don't mind sharing it with us. So this is that order block is using it as a support. It broke above it, broke below it, went back to retest it, rebalance it again, and then it's pushing down. So it might be using that as a breaker block, right? I don't even know if I can call that a breaker block even or not. Might use that as a breaker block, and if that's the case, it is actually good for us. If it's actually using that as a breaker block, it is actually good for us. But Andy, what did you take? Did you take any trades? And if you did, what did you take? Long gold above yesterday's close. I'm guessing you're saying you took gold. Long gold above yesterday close, above weekly close. Had a H4 order block. Yeah, because we were expecting sales. We're on a 1 hour. We're expecting buys from gold. Sorry, expecting buys. So that's what we did. Market structure shift with the was this a market 1 hour market? Yeah, 1 hour BC market structure shift, and then price did that. As soon as we tapped here, news came in, and then boom, we literally watched every second of that movement, and then we just shut up. And then you're saying H4 order block, right? You had a H4 order block. Is this the order block here, or you're talking about something that's all the way down there? But I'm guessing you're talking about this order block. Prices tapped into that order block right before the news, just tapped on top of it and then rejected off of that. Then you talked about yesterday close. You said you bought above long gold above yesterday close, so I'm guessing you got that discount. Not really discount, because discount will be below the open for the day, but you bought it somewhere there. So yeah, that's a good trade, man. That's a good trade. And then target was that buy side liquidity there. So yeah, Jose, I can't read Spanish. Does anybody know how to? Is that Spanish or is that Spanish, guys? I don't know how to read Spanish, but let's translate that together. All right, let's translate that together. Let's translate that together. Greetings. I don't know what. Probably just a miss. Thanks for the space, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, Jose. Jose, you're welcome. How do you say you're welcome? Maybe I should learn some Spanish, you know. Should learn some Spanish. How do you say? De nada. De nada.
De nada.
Yeah, de nada. ¿Qué dice? De nada. Let's see how it opens. Damn. Guess we're opening with some momentum to the upside. Yeah. This is crazy. Somebody said Bitcoin is flying. God damn it. God damn it. Bitcoin is it's going for buy side liquidity. And I said it last time. Somebody said I should check Bitcoin. I was looking at this relatively equal highs, and then obviously at that H4, I think it was a H4 order block, right? It was a H4 order block, and I told them that prices will probably reject off of this and give us higher prices. They should look at a 15-minute order block, microstructure shift to actually take a buy. But yeah, probably got a microstructure shift there to actually consider taking that buy, and now it's just tanking up. So what do we got on NAS? Really NAS? Really NAS? Right now NAS is just playing with us. Let's look at S&P. Oh, this is not good, is it? If you see S&P flying like this, USDT flying like that, oh no, James, I don't think you can save us in this one. I don't think you might be able to save us in this one. I don't think. Yeah, if the other two are getting higher prices, yeah, it might be, you might get more higher prices on this. On the NAS, you might get higher prices. I might be getting more higher prices. What I say? If you see S&P 500 doing that, and you see USDT doing that, just know that NAS is gonna follow. NAS is definitely gonna follow, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. And the crazy part is that we might be going for that buy side liquidity, right? We might be going for that buy side liquidity, then drop, because we took out this. I wouldn't say this is the buy side liquidity that is already taken, and we might reject off of that. Nah, it's probably gonna go for that one. Then if you drop, you drop. Or we might go for that before we actually have a drop. But yeah, that's just that. Yeah. Yes. What's this? S&P getting higher prices. USDT also getting higher prices. Seems like USDT is the stronger one in this case. It already took out that buy side liquidity, and you still have faith. Crazy. And then S&P is going for that high. NAS should be, yeah, it's definitely going for that high too. Maybe not. Maybe not. The only way to find out is hold till SL or TP. We'll see how that actually plays out. But looking at the S&P, man, it's not looking good, fam. Looking at the S&P, it's actually not looking good for us. Looking at the S&P, it's not good. It's not looking good. USDT already took out buy side. and then NAS already took out that internal one. Are we going for that one? Are we going for that one? Might be. We might be going for that one up there. So yeah. Remember, gotta take out some liquidity first before we get the proper move to the upside or to the downside. So if we're going up right now, we're going for that buy side liquidity before we actually drop properly to the downside. And then if we actually went down, we're probably gonna take out this sell side here before we actually go up, right? So yeah, that might be liquidity. We might be liquidity. We might be liquidity. We actually might be liquidity right now on NAS. We might be liquidity. S&P, yeah, still going for higher prices, going for that buy side. Should expect the same thing on NAS. Yeah, NAS should be going for those higher prices too. Oh yeah, buy side swap. NAS, expect that big jump in the next few minutes. I'm sorry guys if I'm burping a lot. Wait, did that just happen? But this should sweep. There's no way this would reverse here. It's definitely gonna sweep. It's definitely gonna sweep. Or it's just teasing people. But should wait for that sweep. That sweep is definitely gonna happen. It's definitely gonna happen. It's just wait. It's just teasing. It's just teasing. But let's just wait and see if we're getting stopped out by SL or not. Well, are we really gonna reverse right now? I don't like this thing teasing. Come on, hey man. At this point, it is what it is. Oh. Okay. Let's see what we have. Are we teasing? Are we coming to sweep this liquidity before up? Or what? Give us something to work with. Right. Give us something to work with. Don't just tease us like this. You shouldn't tease us like this. It's not healthy. It's not nice. Crazy. It's playing with our emotions, this thing. S&P, yeah. I have a feeling S&P is gonna go for that. It's gonna go for that fully sweep that buy side liquidity. I have a feeling S&P will actually do that. US 30 fully took out buy side liquidity. There isn't really much happening there. But yeah, looks like we're going back. Looks like we're going black. Let's not be going back. Let's see like your 5-minute chart. I mean your 30-second chart, if we got anything interesting around here on a smaller time frame. I'm like, we created this relatively equal lows, right? Which I expect price to come back and clean them still. We created those relatively equal lows. I'm expecting price to come clean them, right? But question is, are we gonna do that now? Is price going up for that buy side liquidity up there, which is our SL, or we got that sell side there? Because we still do got that sell side there. We got that sell side liquidity right there, right? Because one of them has to be swept first, then the other one should follow. So if we come into sweep buy side, then price is gonna come back to sweep the sell side, and then if you come down to sweep the sell side, prices will then return to sweep that buy side liquidity up there. So that's that. One has to be swept. The question is, which one first? We gotta pray that it sweeps sell side before buy side, right? Because we're in sells, and that buy side is our SL. So, but I have a feeling we might sweep that, then we come for this sell side here. So yeah, I have a feeling that might be the case. But whichever one sweeps first, the other one should follow. And I don't like the way price is just consolidating. What do you mean, bro? Where? I hope y'all were seeing the chart I was analyzing on. This is no longer a breaker block. It's something else now. It's no longer a breaker block, it's something else. Oh my god, I'll be back in a few minutes, guys. In a few.
Order filled.
Damn. Oh damn. Finally we went down, and then I think I hit my TP here. So just like that, ladies and gentlemen, I have passed the 100k top step challenge, and then I still had a here we're still running. I think it's best if I just log my profits. Thank you. I think I should just close this trade here on the 50k. I think I should just close my profits here. But just like that, ladies and gentlemen, I am funded. Let me just close it.
Order filled.
And then I'll see this account tomorrow. But guys, just like that, I'm actually funded. This is a 100k combine challenge with top step, and I was only left with my target is 6k. So yeah, excuse me, target, we hit our TP. We hit our TP on NAS. Yeah, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. That is good stuff. Congrats, man. Thank you guys. Thank you. The only thing that I'm worried about right now is making money to withdraw, because the challenge is, most people think that once you get funded means the challenge is done. No, you still gotta put double the work, double the effort on a funded, to keep it, right? To keep it, you gotta put in the work. So yeah, we're gonna put this on, I'm guessing this is the OTE price. Might be rejected. Is this the OTE price? Nah, that's not the OTE. This is right before the OTE, but yeah. ICT, do you have a position trader for this broker? Which broker are you talking about? This, there's no position sizer here. Your executions is just contract. You're using contract here. 1 contract, 2 contract, and then on this trade that I took that made me pass, I only took with 2 contracts, right? And then on the other account that I'm still playing, I'm still doing, only took it with 1. But yeah, when did I buy this? I bought this one. I bought this Monday. Today is the 3rd day. Today is the 3rd day of me trading this account. It is the 3rd day. Today is the 3rd day of me trading this account. So I was only left with, as you can see there, I'm not sure if you can see, yeah, I was only left with, because the target here was 6k, right? And then daily max, that's when they pause. You don't really fail, they just pause you, deactivate your account, and then you'll continue the next day. I explained this on yesterday's stream doing New York. And then also, do not get maximum, well, I'm not supposed to get below 10k because I already made profit. I already made that 4k there. So my maximum loss was, I forgot how much the maximum loss was, but it moves. It's a trading. So today my max loss was 4k. So I wasn't supposed to lose more than 4k, and then once I lose 2k, they're gonna pause the account. So this is the daily, and then this is the maximum, minimum and maximum. So if I actually lost 2k, they're gonna pause the account for the day, and then tomorrow if I lose another 2k, I am done. It was out. But as you can see, obviously they only update after midnight, so I just have to wait for midnight to actually get an email that says I passed, and then obviously there's that activation fee, which is 150. So yeah, there's that. I want to try gold long. Let's see how gold is doing actually. Sheesh, what I say, I like the fact that gold is doing exactly what I like. You know, if you want to master, I feel like trading gold is hard if you don't understand liquidity, right? If you don't understand liquidity, you're gonna have a tough time trading gold if you don't understand liquidity. Because here we went from internal liquidity to external liquidity, and then now we should be going for internal liquidity, right? And do we take any internal liquidity? We're currently in a H4. We're currently in a H4 BC, and also H4 order block, that tiny order block there. If price closes inside, yeah, it might be rejecting off of that order block. So yeah, if you're rejecting off of that order block, then yeah, you'll be good. Can I make a video on risk management? I do have a video on risk management, man. I feel like I do have a video on risk management that I already made on what account size, because I already have a video on risk management. I already have a video on risk management, bro. But yeah, as I was saying, I got distracted. If prices close inside of that H4 order block, we might be going for longs. It might long. Liquidity to liquidity, and then already take enough illiquidity. So yeah, but you still need to wait for an entry, right? You can't just go blindly. Still need to wait for an entry. But as for me, I'm done for the day. I am done for the day. Yeah, but if you want to buy, you can just do that. I feel like I do have a video on risk management, to be honest. Maybe I should just rename it and say risk management, how to pass a prop firm challenge. Okay, or maybe it's not clear enough. Maybe my risk management here wasn't really clear enough, but I feel like I went through everything, man. I feel like I went through the risk management, all the risk management that you're gonna need. Or maybe you want something else. But yeah, if it's a 10k challenge, daily risk maximum, do that. You can just use the same math. So obviously if it's a 5k account, you just gotta cut this into half, right? Cut this into half, which means it's $75. You can, your maximum per day is 75, and then maximum per trade also gotta cut that in half, 25. You know, daily trades, maximum trades per day, it's 3. Maximum losing trades to exceed maximum loss. This depends on how much your prop firm is actually giving you. How many percent drawdown are they actually giving you? Because this was 12% maximum drawdown. So if I think this was 12. I think that was 12%. This was 12%. So if they're giving you 12%, you can play around this. So yeah, man, just try to incorporate that into your account size. Same different, try to work with the percentages. If it's more than that, if it's 100k, you know, do that, do the math. And yeah, I don't know, I think this should be fine, man. I think, unless you want me to do a separate another one again, unless you want me to do another one again. So yeah, and then gold, 1 minute microstructure shift. I might buy, and then H4 we closed inside. Yeah, we closed inside. We closed inside of that, and then yeah, rebalance that. But it's looking menacing right now. Looks menacing. It's menacingly moving down, menacingly. So yeah, James, God bless you, man. God bless you. If you want to take a buy here, make sure you find a perfect entry. 1 minute is not enough. 1 minute is not enough. But yeah, if you get an entry, dope. If you get an entry, dope. So yeah, that is pretty much what I have on NAS. As you can see, I hope ways who is actually holding James. Yeah, James, did you hit TP? Did you close? I hope you close your NAS. James, I hope you close your NAS. I hope you close your NAS. I hope you're not still holding NAS. I hope you closed your NAS. Yes, I did. Oh, good. I hope. I haven't logged this. Let me actually log this into the journal. And again, guys, ICC trader. Did you get the video? I hope you got the video. Hope you got the video. You said you closed it early. I mean, as long as it closed, it's cool. As long as it closed, it's cool. That's all that matters right now. What am I doing? Link. Gonna log that. It's a win. Sell. Entry price. Copy. Those prices should actually be, and then stop. Copy. And then TP. Copy. If you want to access this, just ask for permission. I'll just copy this and send it in the, if you don't, just in case somebody's out there and they don't have access to this shit. So just ask for permission and then I'll grant you permission. New York, Wednesday, today. So yeah, that's that. Does this. So for later too, it doesn't actually. Shit, I don't know how to, because it's easy for me here to calculate, because I just use handles when you're looking at a futures contract, right? For example, where did we sell? We sold, where did we sell? Oh, there's a 1 minute chart. We sold somewhere there, so it's easy for me to actually calculate. Short. James, have a good day. You too, man. Have a good rest of the day. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. As you can see, how many contracts is that? There's 5 contracts, is it? Is this 5 contracts? Is this 5 contract or 14 contracts? This is 5. This is 5 contract. There's a guys. I mean, not 5 handles, not contracts. Is it 14 handles? I think this is 14 handles. Right. I don't know if that's 14 handles or 5 handles. I'm actually quite lost. I don't know. I don't know how many handles this is, honestly. This is 14 handles. This is 20 handles. Nah, this is 20 handles. Yeah, it's 20 handles. Yeah, it doesn't show. I don't know why it doesn't show here, but it's 20 handles. So from here to here, it's 20 handles. That's what we caught. 20 handles. I'll try to put it here, and I'll try with the rest. I don't know. With the rest, I don't know. I'll just try to go back to the prices and get the handles, proper handles, on how much we actually. Let me just. How do you log this? Hope gold keep pumping. I'm guessing you already took a buy on gold. If you're hoping. Yeah. Rejected off of that. I'm guessing you took a buy there. Yeah. Hope you make sure you hold. Make sure you take partials. Make sure you take partials. And log profits. Make sure you take partials and log profits. But how do I log this? I forgot how to actually log this. I forgot how to actually lock freeze frame here. This, wait, is it, where are you? Let's just say up to 4. Yeah, so that when yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I hope y'all, where's my phone? I hope y'all didn't blow accounts today. I hope y'all made some profits today, and yeah, I hope you learned something. Surely do learn something myself. It's never trade news. Never trade news, guys. No matter how nice it sounds, but don't try to trade news. James, have a good one, man. And guys, also have a good one. I'll just accept whoever tries to get permission. And yeah, I think that's it. I think that is it for the session. That is it for the session, guys. And yeah, you guys take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in the London session stream. I'll only be going on London, not New York. Tomorrow I'm only going London live, not New York. New York I'm only going if there's high impact news. Only if there's high impact news. If there's no high impact news, I'm not going live. So yeah, James and everybody else, peace. See you guys tomorrow.